Our first volume in this series focuses on turning used citrus husks and transforming them into usable bar coasters. So we've been working with the Lyon family since Seedlip's infancy, and sustainability and waste management has been at the core of what the Lyon family and the team have done.
Citrus waste, and lemons being one of them, it's a massive kind of waste factor within the bar industry as a whole. And it's one of those really interesting challenges to see how we can actually utilise these to their maximum extent.
So to bring this to life, we're working with a local company in Bermondsey called Green Lab, and we'll be ferrying the lemon husks from Lyaness over to Green Lab and back every other week.
So one of the things we do, we help businesses rethink what they do with organic waste matter. As future materials go, looking at how it can be more circular, certainly from a kind of city perspective, taking spent organic matter from a bar and turning it into a product that can be used back at the point of consumption is a really important thing to look at as we obviously grow as a population and as the planet changes. The process is a relatively simple one. You take the waste lemon husks from the bar, you dry them, you mix them with a few other organic ingredients, we then bake them, laser cut them, and you then have a coaster that you can use in a cocktail bar environment.
I guess the long-term purpose of these coasters is to eventually replace our napkins for general service, utilising them for every drink we can. And the great thing about them is that once they do deteriorate, we can leave them in a pile, we can take them back and they can get recycled back into the mixture to make some more coasters again.